One phone call. Saturday evening, Aman had just finished another long day at work. His phone buzzed. He glanced at the screen and smiled. It was Ravi. Hey, I have a crazy idea. Aman laughed. I'm listening. Ravi paused. Let's go back. Aman frowned. Back? Where? Our village. They hadn't been back in almost 12 years. Aman and Ravi grew up together. Every summer meant packing their bags and heading to their grandparents' village. Long afternoons, cricket until sunset, raw mangoes with a little salt. Back then, life felt simple. Then everything changed. They moved to different cities, built different lives, chased different dreams. They stayed in touch. Life kept getting busier. One day, Ravi finally called. So, Aman finally said, You really mean next Saturday? Ravi laughed. Why not? No deadlines, no meetings, no work calls. Just one weekend. Like the old days? Aman smiled. You know what? I'm in. The following Saturday, they packed their bags and left the city behind. With every mile, the traffic disappeared. The noise faded away. Fresh air filled the car. For the first time in months, neither of them checked their phones. It already felt like a vacation. By evening, they reached the village. Almost everything had changed. New houses, new roads, new faces. But one thing was exactly the same: the old mango tree. Ravi smiled. I can't believe it's still here. Aman laughed. So are we. Without saying a word, they picked a few raw mangoes, sprinkled a little salt on top, and sat under the same tree. Some places never change. An elderly villager walked past and smiled. I knew you boys would come back someday. Both friends smiled. It felt just like old times. They talked for hours. One memory led to another: school, cricket, summer afternoons, the grandparents, the little grocery shop where they bought candies. For one evening, there were no deadlines, no emails, no notification. Some memories stay with you forever. The next morning, before leaving, Ravi looked at Aman. Promise me, let's not wait another 12 years. Aman smiled. He opened his calendar. Next month, same place, Ravi laughed. Deal. As they drove home, neither of them said much. Some friendships never really change. And that's all for now. Thanks for listening. We are learning and growing together.